dude. Hey, machine gun baguette. Yeah, this will probably be interesting since I'm new to this stuff. So, moin Epigorg. Okay, Twitch is live. It's YouTube live. It should be, in theory. We'll probably take some time till chat oh no, there's Rasvan. Finally something interesting. Let's see how that goes though. I've played a bit with Fusion. With meh. I'm an electrical engineer. I have no idea of this stuff, but I want to learn it, so let's see. So SolidWorks, do you design top-down or what is the, like, how should I approach this? We'll probably start with one of the gimbal arms as a part. Moin Henry. Where's the... Yeah, I mean, yeah. We'll start with this. Yeah, I want to shrink this down a little bit. I've done this in Fusion. It collides a little bit. But yeah, we'll see. Okay, Botrix connected. Then we should have all the chats in one place here. But I think we'll do 40 and then 88. Why? Ah, because... Okay. No. I just didn't I wanted to do the weekly race and then the sign up didn't work. And I didn't feel like doing daily races. So we'll just do a little bit chill stream here. Learning a little bit of SolidWorks. Okay, we don't need this part. We'll start with a new one. Part. Okay, part assembly drawing. So basically, can I put an assembly into an assembly? Because the gimbal arm will have bearings mounted in it. And I wonder if it makes sense to assemble the bearings into it and then put this assembly into the big assembly. Yes? Okay, cool. Then we'll start with the part. Sketch, top plane. I don't know how to use parametric design in this, so we'll do it like this. 40 by 88. Put some small chamfers in here. Okay. Can you copy mated parts? Yeah, but then I changed my mind. It's too hot. So we'll do this instead. So this is the inside here of this. And one thing where I struggle a lot, how strong do I have to make this? This will be 60-61 or 70-75 aluminum. I would assume that 10mm should be enough. I guess this is something that we'll just have to try. Yeah, I've seen it. I also pre-ordered one. Thanks, Will. Okay, so we'll offset this by 10. Yep. And I think that can be the main frame then. The Newton meter is around 30 on that part. 30 to 35. I'm an electrical engineer. I don't know a lot about mechanical engineering. This will be what? 30. Okay. So then I guess we'll do the extrude. 10. What the hell happened here? Where did that come from? No. How did I even put the diagonal lines in here? No. Where are they coming from? I'm so confused. Probably pressed a random button or so. 5mm, you think? No, I'm learning it. But I always think it's the best to learn while actually designing something. We'll do a 10 by 10 frame. And I can put 2 bearings in there, the 5mm ones, so... Okay, then we'll need to create another sketch on top here. We'll put... I don't know if there's an easier way to do this, but... I just want to do some lines where I can mirror stuff later. Is the music too loud or is it okay? Hey, iRacing. Okay, then we need one here, not center. Uh, 30 by 10. Okay, the question now is... how do I make these? Symmetric? Symmetric. Where's mirror here? This? Here? And this? What are the... mirror? Here. And then we're gonna extrude these. I changed? Okay, this does it. In Fusion, if I do a mirror and then change the original part, the mirror is not updated. It's probably I'm doing something wrong, but found that a bit odd. Yeah. I'm currently like trying a little which software I really want to learn. I do have Fusion on here and Inventor, but Mac Master Car. Or bearings. Okay, I do need 8mm inside, 5mm width, 688, so it's 16mm. So far I prefer SOLIDWORKS. It feels a bit more dated, like the whole UI and everything. But in Fusion I often have random things happening to me and I don't know why. And in SOLIDWORKS, not. SOLIDWORKS just sometimes likes to crash. Let's actually save that. FFB joystick. Parts. Gimbal. Arm. Have you tried Inventor? My dad uses Inventor. Dude, like the worst thing in Fusion for me, I mean there are some things that I just don't understand. First of all, I create the freaking drawing, I position everything perfectly, like let's say an encoder hole is like 10mm on the x-axis, 37 on the y. Then I import it into freaking Altium and it sits at 10.003 and 35.0074 or something. Inventor doesn't exist anymore? I mean, and what is this? 2025? I mean, I briefly played around with it. This is just like a student version, so I cannot properly use it anyways. And it looks very much like Fusion, actually, like the whole UI and everything. Like, yeah, I don't know. Yes, for the fighter jet game, or like for flying in general. Well, that is the one thing on Fusion, and then the freaking timeline on the bottom. I find that so hard to not get confused. It's like here, this is how it should be. Anyways, can I now select this sketch and then extrude? Yes. How much do I need? I have no idea. So this needs to be offset. The center of the bearing needs to be offset by like 16mm-ish. What? Really? Yeah, the outer diameter is 16. This is 10. So no, it should sit 60, like the center of the bearing should sit 16 millimeters. Like, you can probably see it here. Wait, do you actually see something here? Overexposed. I need to print this and test this actually, or like maybe the motion model thing in SolidWorks is a bit better than Fusion. 4 millimeter around. Really? Only 4? Okay. So we need 24 in width. Let's do 5 millimeter. So we have 10 millimeters in total. Okay, wait. You know what you're talking about. So 4 millimeters. So 20. Wait, then the sketch is wrong. Then we need 24 here. Good. 5? Okay, cool. Then I feel safer. 26. Sketch, extrude. What did I say? 16 above this. Plus 5, so 21 for the 21. Okay. No, this is based on the VP4's Rhino FFBeast. I didn't came up with this. I just the FFBeast is made from sheet metal. I want to make a nice looking CNC version that will work exactly the same, but I just want to. So, and I want to learn this stuff. So, how do I measure in SolidWorks? Dimensions? Like the no. Select 2 planes.
Yeah, you know it's automatic. Yeah, tell Trev leak the hard drive. I'm ever caught in traffic. Don't let a label milk my name. Just
21.
The cash is a new era, same pro, and I want all the static. I've been killing since some tours were static. Even before we in the
wait, I just
recorded magic.
what printer? I have the K1 Max.
15-hour flights I landed and perform these ballads. Sparring sessions, but it's never padded. Woke up in Wonderland once I followed the white.
Okay, so if I want to make the hole for the bearing, I'm gonna use the 688 bearing. Outer diameter 16. Oh, this is something where I don't know what I will have to do, like tolerances. Whoa, no, nice. Oh, pizza day actually was yesterday. My parents were over here for lunch. Today I have to get barbecue. Yes, best investment ever, honestly. So I guess I create a sketch on this face here. What happened here? You crossed the line, your notoriety was never notarized. But so it goes, I'll find another side. The revolution won't be publicized. There's a war outside, but it's internalized. Snap ring.
In like a year, I feel I double mine. You know I'm sorry, should have done you right.
Oh, these.
I've been caught up with this double life.
I was thinking about just using 2 bearings. And then maybe secure it with a screw from the outside.
And we still on this yellow tape, bro.
I've seen it on the conspit pedals. Wait. Face. See here? I was thinking to do it like this, but that's probably not elegant design, huh? I don't know. The Lego Giga? What? I don't even know what that is. But how do I make the hole here? Wait, where's my Twitch chat? Here. H7. Yeah. Yeah, I guess we can either use the... I'll worry, like, we'll worry about tolerances later. First, I need to, like, see if we can get this thing together. So let's create a sketch on here. We want a point that is... How do I add here? Smart dimension. From here to... No, from... Can I do this? What? Overdriving the mic? Maybe I am? Wait, it's... Filters. Limiter. Where did I put the thing? Where's the thing? Here's the thing. Clear. Is it better now? Check, 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 check. That sounds better. Okay, then that was actually the noise suppression filter.
Look, we tastemakers, groundbreakers, we crown shakers, moved us out the margin, we're writing, that's how we found paper, hustling
Let's quickly
back on the scooter razors, had no stable footage since then, I've been an earthquaker.
How do I move here?
Don't think that I'm the greatest, I just settle for the synonyms. Hey, they wonder what's got it into him. I took a couple losses. I'm trying to win again and win again and win again. I ain't taking minimums, my destiny was written in. Coming with a different scent, coming with a different stench. Smelling like greatness and I spread every day, that's the latest. Moving crazy all around me. I was hotter than my feelings, then you found me.
This will be too low though. What did I measure there? Let's delete this here. Do it like this.
I've been counting my blessings.
How do I edit my extrude?
Daily I've been looking for some peace. What would you recommend? Have a couple drinks, go to sleep, then reset again. That's everything I'm better than, but everything I'm used to. Sticking to the basics got me looking for a new glue, looking for a new crew, looking for a new outlet that doesn't sacrifice.
Not like this, I guess.
I don't know all the steps that I'm taking, still walking through it. Hope I find a shawty that really listens and talk me through it. Oftentimes we end up smashing and loving lust. They asking for my heart, don't give it, it's hard to trust. Consider that a plus, and mine is the complications. Feel like everyone's the same, internet immutations. While all the weak get the highest of the praises. Man, it's messing with my patience. The world been moving crazy all around me. I was hotter than my feelings, then you found me.
It doesn't know. It's 5mm offset from the top. Doesn't have to be in the middle. It's something that I will see when I assemble it together. How do I change my extrude here in this? Like not 21? Apparently you cannot change it here, huh? That's odd. Yeah, that's... I'm pretty sure that you can change it here somehow. Click on the left tree. Right click. Wait, edit feature. Edit feature. First icon. Yeah, okay, thank you. Six, 16. Okay, so now this is basically in the middle. Yeah. But why can't you change it here? That would make sense. Double click it, you see it's 26. And then change it here. That's what I would expect from a user-friendly perspective. Yeah, probably. Okay, do we now just extrude this or do we use the hole tool? What is the more elegant thing? Or is there even a hole tool in this? Hole wizard. Extrude, okay. So I would take this sketch and then do the extruded cut. Plane till up to surface here. Through all. Oh, yeah, that's probably easy. Good. Good. Then we'll make, wait, what did I say? 5 millimeters around this, right? Best practice. We're doing SolidWorks today, huh? So to make it a bit prettier, I can add fillets here. Full preview. 16 millimeter hole plus 5, so 21. Oh, no. 8 millimeter radius plus 5, so 13. That should, yes. I do have AC, it's running right now. Oh, can I add these edges now? Ooh, not the face. I want to select the edge. No, not the face. Do I need to... Oh, fuck, why can I not select that? Here. The top face. Let's see when I select the face. Oh, what is fillet X? I don't want that. Fillet expert items too. Kind of looks funny though. Yeah, I don't want... face fillet. Ah. But... yeah. Like in Fusion, if I hold the mouse button, then it will give me a selection. I mean, I guess you can do this and this. Select the corner. Yeah, but I can't. That's my problem here right now. Oops. Junge. Give me... Left tree. In this or in the main menu? Oh, wait. Ah, sometimes it changes. Ah, okay. I'm just blind. I'm just blind. Thanks. Why is this? Oh god. Okay. Then we have to take care of these things here. On one side, like where? On one side we are mounting this here. A pulley. And on the other side, just a screw. F5. Okay. Backlighting, yeah. Helpful keyboard. Ah. That's useful. Thanks. I will definitely forget that. No, I did not study mechanical engineering. Technically, it's not true. I did 2 years of mechanical engineering with IT. Until that subject got cancelled and I switched to electrical engineering. Okay, so what is it's also 13. Okay. First, we need to make it a bit pretty. Fillet. Here. 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 Let's go with 5 units. Millimeter. What else? Like, does anyone use anything else than millimeters? Es gab's in Kaiserslautern. Hieß Maschinenbau mit angewandter Informatik. Ich glaube, mittlerweile gibt es auch wieder, aber damals waren wir 3 Studenten und dann haben sie es gecancelt. Papi te paga los biles, nada más que quiero ese culo. Prefiere el sexo conmigo que yo te lo meto bien duro. I bought a Benz straight from the trap. I don't like paying no taxes. I don't need friends, solo una mami. Papi te enseño what racks is. Me and my bitch, we got a bitch. Yeah, we treat her like a pet. She keep it G. Dude, that reminds me of what I saw on Twitter the other day. Somebody had like inches and millimeters in the same drawing. EBK, if you want to wait, you in the field with a vet. Bam, bam, she wanna flick for the ground. But dude, like the freaking Imperial system, like when you sit there and you make a hole of like 5/32 of an inch, how do you even know what is the next biggest hole? It's like I have a drill bit set of like Imperial, like, dude. It's just like, what the hell? Okay, so there will be the pulley. Pulley has an 8mm hole. I guess we'll just mount it with 3 screws or so. One here that goes through the middle of the pulley. And then 2 more. Here, this is 8mm. And then I would probably make like 2 more holes. Five 30 seconds, then dude, then 6. No, my chat got cut off. This is just so confusing. So confusing. 5:32 second, then why not? Why 6:30 seconds and not 3/16? Yeah. Anyways, do I use an M8? I'll just use an M8 screw for this. M8 for this, and then maybe to center it and properly align it, we are gonna use countersunk 2 more M6 or so. Yeah, I think we'll do that. Okay, so sketch on this face. Hello? Sketch? Here, there we go. How do I make a threaded hole? We need to use the hole tool for that, I guess. Bearing for the gear. Bearing for the... no. The bearing will be in the housing. Or we'll put the bearing in the pulley. I will probably 3D print this thing. But the small one, there's another 20T on the motor and 60T on the gimbal. The 60T can probably be 3D printed. The 20T needs to be metal. I'll be right back.
For the gram, essa puta sabem who I am, so she wanna check this beat on cam. Like, hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Four lines of better, I pull up. Hey, spam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Essa puta sabem who I am, so she wanna check this beat on cam. Like, hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Four lines of better, I pull up.
Okay. Here. Wait. Face. So this is the old prototype. This gets mounted to this. And then either I could mount the pulley to the gimbal arm with like 3 screws. And then have the pulley itself sit on bearings. Or we'll mount it solidly and have the bearing in the housing. I don't know what makes more sense. This is heavy. Let's use the plastic gimbal. Pulley. So, like this. This mounts to 20T. With the motor here. Yeah, well, you get the idea. I don't have enough hands. Oh, the other way. So the motor will sit outside the housing. It's very, very like the design. It's basically a CNC version of the FFBeast. So, yeah. I don't know what makes more sense. Is it better to have the bearing in the housing or to have the bearing on the pulley? Probably easier to have the bearing in the housing, because that will definitely be a custom part. Like, on the other hand, like these pulleys aren't cheap. Like this is like $25, and if I have a custom CNC machined one, it's $30. So housing, yeah, I think so too. Right. Okay, let's do it in the housing then. Then we can just use. We have a screw. We'll probably use one of those fancy shoulder screws. Oh, nice, nice. Yeah. We'll use an M8 shoulder screw. I'm learning it. Got sick of fusion, so yeah, let's see how that goes. Yeah. Okay, so we need an M8 hole here. How do I do that? Let's give us a point here. And that also will be 13 it was, I think. And then we'll probably do 2 more in the bottom here. Help. I'm still learning how to use that frickin' 3D mouse thing. It's a little bit confusing. Okay. No, what? Which button do I need to press? Is it not? No, it is this. M8 and then M6 for these here. And we'll offset this. I don't know. The best thing is people measuring everything in foot except for feet. Imagine having a unit, it's called foot, and you don't measure your foot in foot. Here. I'm sure there's a smarter way to do this. But I don't know it, so... Everything should have symmetry lines per default. mirror. Here. This is probably the most complicated way how to do 3 points. A force feedback joystick, like this was an earlier prototype that I did. It is like, look at the FFBeast joystick. It's basically like a CNC version of that concept. 20 degrees deflection in each dimension. And 2 motors. Here, hoverboard motors. Super cheap, super powerful. Super heavy. Let's see. Okay, so exit sketch. Features. Hole. Where's hole wizard? Can I not make this M8 and this M6? I paid 50 euros for 6 motors. Yes, everything's here. Yeah, but like this should be an M8 and these two should be M6. Is that not possible? Can I just select? No. Yeah, but it automatically. Can I exclude this? Positions? Instances to skip? Maybe that? Oh, there we go. M8. Where's the threaded hole? This? Straight tab. M8. Done. Standard Steigung. What's Steigung in English? Is M8 by 1.25? Is that true? What is the name for the 1.25 in English? Tabbed hole. That doesn't look like a tabbed hole. Can I have it be displayed as a tabbed hole? Pitch. Thanks. Cosmetic thread. Dude, what the hell? Oh. It will be like a CNC version of that joystick. Remove thread. Okay, whatever. If I want to do...
Begin by opening the part you would like to have tapped. Create a circle at the location where you want the threads and dimension it appropriately. When dimensioning holes for tapping, make sure to consult a drilled and tapped chart. In this example, we want to use a number 6-32 screw, so locate the according nominal hole size on the drill chart and dimension your hole in SOLIDWORKS according to this chart. You can add a countersink if you'd like using the chamfer feature tool, but it is not necessary unless you are using a flathead screw. Click on the drop-down arrow below the hole wizard and select thread. Ignore the size profile warning. Select the hole as the thread location and select the desired tap size. Make sure the thread method is set to cut thread. Apply an offset so that the thread cut begins before the beginning of the hole to create a smooth thread entry for the screw. Congratulations! You now know how to tap holes in SOLIDWORKS.
That looks easier. Thanks. Sketch. Edit sketch. 8, 6, 6. Exit, features, extruded, extruded, cut, through all. Thread. Thread location here. And here. Oh, only one. Okay. Inch die. Yeah, please. Can inch finally die? That's that. Yes. Metric also die? No, what is the difference between die and tap? M1.2. Yeah, that sounds reasonable. What is the sorting? M8. 1.25. And then they gave an offset. We don't need it. I mean, this is just like so we see that something is happening. In the actual 3D model, you don't include the threads, right? It's just basically a hole, and then in the drawing you specify what it is, I think. Nice. Can we then... That's not what I wanted. Can I disable this, for example? Hole wizard, thread. Here. Yes. No, you need. What do I need? Can't I select multiple? What is the pitch for M6, the standard one? one, I guess. There's only one, okay. I think I need to create the chamfer manually then, no?
Groundbreakers, fucker, we crown shakers. Moved outside the margin, we're writing, that's how we found paper. Hustling nature since we was riding back on the scooter razors. Had no stable footage since then, I've been an earthquaker. Brown sugar and cinnamon. Don't
okay.
think that I'm the greatest, I just settle for the synonyms. Hey, they wonder what's got it in him.
What do we do with this? Do we also fillet it? Here, 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 13. Did I make this bigger? 14, 15. Negative offset. I'm just too aware of my surroundings. I've been looking at the blessings I've been counting. Look, I've been counting my blessings, but still stuck in my thoughts. Here I go, stuck in my head again. Daily I've been looking for some peace. What would you recommend? Have a couple drinks, go to sleep, then reset again. That's everything I'm better than, but everything I'm used to. Sticking to the basics got me looking for a new crew. Not really do it.
Looking for a new outlet that doesn't sacrifice my self-respect. I don't know all the steps that I'm taking.
Is this bad for manufacturing?
Find a shawty that really listens and talk me through it. Oftentimes we end up smashing and loving lust. They asking for my heart, don't give it, it's hard to trust. Consider that a plus, and minus the complications. Feel like everyone's the same, internet and mutations. While all the weak shit get the highest of the praises. Man, the shit is messing with my patience. The world been moving crazy all around me. I was hiding in my feelings, then you found me. I'm just too aware of my surroundings. Looking at the blessings I've been counting. The world been moving crazy all around me.
Yeah, but let's just, I mean, we can just put this a bit more to the inside. Thread longer than, did I only have 10 millimeters? Oh yeah, true. Okay. This is just like for visuals now anyways. Oh no. Why did I do this? I don't need the holes here. Don't need these two.
Let them talk, real things sturdy in the BS walks. Stand up, God won't see me fall. Stay in the cup, won't see me ball. Cause I'm low key, and they think they know me. Like a 30-30, try to dig in this OD.
Yeah. I'm thinking I do a 3 millimeter. How do you do that? Just add like a fillet? Maybe let's actually leave these in, then it can just be turned around. You can always remove it. Morning, Turk! Okay, so for manufacturing on the inside, I guess I wanna have the fillets here. 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 3 millimeter. Here. 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 Here and here.
Gotta take L's if you wanna get wins. Simple talking 101, basic as it gets. Let me say this.
Will this suck? No, it shouldn't be a problem, right? Yeah, the maker version is 30. There's you can like search for 20% discount code. There are tons of them.
Doesn't bother me a bit. I just walk it out. Long as that big body test in the parking lot. I'm a skirt
38 euros a year for non-commercial use. I actually need to mail them and ask them if this, like streaming this stuff, counts as non-commercial use. You can make 2,000 euros per year with it. Yeah, we flew it on Wednesday. Great plane. Dude, I didn't realize how big it is until I saw a comparison to the 737. Jesus Christ, man. Wait, YouTube chat. Okay. No, I don't know. Like I'll mail them. Like one stream, I don't make. Unfortunately, I do not make 2,000 euros of one stream. But I need to see. Okay, and then we will also do a little fillet on the outside, I guess. So how will this be manufactured? I guess it's a tool that's coming from the top and will manufacture the cutout. How will they do? Do they like? Will it? Forgive my ignorance here. But will they turn the part? Basically, like, dude, what is this view here? Like this, and then cut it from this dimension, from top here, and do these. Depends on how many axes. We are checking. CNC milling. 3, 4 and full 5 axes. And I think I read somewhere that you should design for 3mm tool size. Yeah. Okay, that means we should also add fillets here. Can I, like, will this be a problem? How do I measure this? Me and my chick, we got a chick. Yeah, we treat her like a pet. EBK, if you all in the way, you in the field with a vet. Bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Plus, her baby sabe who I am, so she wanna do it all on cam. Like, hold up. Oh no. Sabe how to hold up, pull up. Soon as we done, I'ma roll up. Full lines are better, I pull up. Bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Plus, her baby sabe who I am, so she wanna do it all on cam. Like, it's crazy how cheap JLC is for CNC. What did I use here? We can probably, no we can't, because this will not work with this here. No way, Mr. Officer. So you trap stars, you know. Fumo. 3 should work. Maybe we'll make this 3 as well then. Okay, we'll do. But what if I do a fillet now here? Will this get confused? Just. Oh, okay, that shouldn't be a problem. I did 3 here, then we'll do 3 here as well. 3. Here. No. Sometimes it feels very, very very natural with the 3D mouse, and sometimes my brain seriously completely stops working. Have you tried wait, I don't know. If the event doesn't start, then you should be good. Okay, chamfers on the edges. Probably also good design practice. Can I actually... What if I do 3mm here? That's 6. Ah. Edit feature. 1.5. Why can it not do 3 when this is 3 now?
She wanna flick for the gram. Plus her baby sabe who I am, so she wanna do it all on cam. Like, hold up, sabe how to hold a pull up. Soon as we done, I'ma roll up. Full lines are better, I pull up. Bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Plus her baby sabe who I am, so she wanna do it all on cam. Like, hold up, sabe how to hold a pull up. Soon as we done, I'ma roll up. Full lines are better, I pull up.
Is this problematic, or would that be fine to manufacture? No, it's not important at all. It's pretty much only for the looks. The latest version. But I guess this should work. It doesn't have to be symmetrical. One side will have a pulley anyways. Looks like you used the line in the base extrusion. Oh, this one. Well, it looks fine to me. Sorry, what was the question? I might have missed it. Wait, YouTube? Where was your question? Oh, here. If I design a wheel full drawing 3D, what is the cost to make it real? Depends. Looks fine to me. Let's just make it symmetrical here. Bionic, thank you so much for 1 month. Where do you think it got non-symmetric? Okay. And now for... Do I want to add a chamfer around the edges here? Oh god, do I have to select everything here? And what would be a good chamfer to use? Oh no, there we go. 0.5, okay. So like this. Man, this almost looks like I know what I'm doing. Do I add chamfers here for the bearing? Probably easier to get them in then. Let's just add them. How would they make them on the inside though? Maybe we'll just do them on the outside. Yes, learning SolidWorks. What is a small chamfer? Yeah, I need to check tolerances. Can I do a 0.2 chamfer or is that 0.3? Good. I think I now know what you mean. How do I put this in the middle of this? Perpendicular? No, it's already... What is collinear? No, 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 no. No, remove it all. Vertical. Yeah, it should be vertical. When I move this, does this move? Doesn't. Control and then select the midpoint. Wait, this line. This line. And this. Fuck. I don't know what I'm doing. Could I just do this and this and this? No. But there must be some sort symmetric. which... Ah. Here. You need to select the vertical line, then add a coincident constraint to the center point on the horizontal line. But how do I select the center point? Is this the center point? I don't know where the center point is. Why is this blue now? This was a mirror of this. Why is this blue? No, let's actually fix that first. I don't know why that kept happening. How would I center this? I could probably do this, this, and this, and make it symmetrical. Nope. I guess same principle, this, and then make it call... No, that also not. Measure, yeah, I couldn't. Can I? Oh, it's because of this here, I guess. What are these? Dude, why did I have like 2000? Horizontal is fine, yeah. But what does this mean? Symmetric. Symmetric. Let's quickly remove all these. Okay, so this horizontal, this vertical, that is fine. Hey, Rents the Fence, thanks for the rate. Appreciate it. Hope you had a good stream. We're doing something very different today. You could put a horizontal constraint between the midpoint of the vertical line and the origin center point. But how could I, in theory, say that this here should be like... Midpoints are my friend. This midpoint and this line. I just take it? No. I am very confused. Where did it go? Here, midpoint and this line. I'll set that as CC, but what is CC? Other way around? Do I need to select? Does it make a difference whether I select this and this or this and this? But it is. Thanks. Feature thread 1 failed. Ugh, yeah, why? I guess my My sketches. Red. Okay, let's try that again. So this line and the... Does this not have like a middle point or what? Or is that already in the middle? Maybe it already is in the middle? It is coincident to something. Oh, okay. Yeah, I know. Edit feature. Red location here. Okay. Oh, this is the thing that I know from Fusion, just in a way that you actually understand it. Cool. What is your problem with this chamfer here? Quickly delete it here. Yes. I do. Okay, so somebody said blue is bad. How would I fix this? I mean, this is mirrored from this. Needs dimensions. Why? Something broke with the mirror. Okay. So I could... How would I constrain this? This, and this? Make it symmetric? No. I don't know. I mean, I guess I could just do this here, but I guess that is bad practice. Still blue. Yeah, I mean, this could be... I don't know, man. We'll just do it like this for now. I know it's not clean. And then I need to figure out why the mirror broke. And now we add the chamfers back. Why does the chamfer not work anymore now? This works. This works. This works. This doesn't work. But why? This one here isn't working. All the other threes are working. Here, see, this works. This one does not work. Does it give me like some sort of warning? Okay, well then let's check. I guess this is fine. This is just like the dimensions of the inside circle.
Okay. First in and the last out. Never tried to go the fast route. Marathon, not a race. Put in hours and I cash out. Game time been lit. Been the man, been him. In the box like 9-9. Got pinstripes on my skin. Okay, go mamba all in my zone. When the wind go
I guess this one is fine. Then we have this sketch here. Okay, the mirror here broke again. And also, why is this blue when it's actually constrained here?
Lights on, I'm on. Lights on, I'm on. Lot of pressure, I can't let up. Keep my head up.
Underdefined. Oh yeah, this is... I should move my chat. I don't see that because I have my chat in the corner there. Random excuse. Okay, let's try to fix this. Why is this blue? I guess I don't just draw a line here in the middle and expect it to work. Correct, okay. So I need to constrain this onto the origin. Can I do that? I mean, I don't care that these are... It's just the endpoints. Do I have to do that for construction lines? It probably doesn't hurt. Okay, that's fixed. Then the next thing he doesn't like is something here. I see. So this and this equal? No. Like on top of each other, collinear? Oh, that is length. Now I'm confused. This and this collinear. Why does this not move? Like the two parallel but opposite lines. Yeah, but why did this not move? I'm confused. Oh, never mind. Okay, so also the mirror here doesn't work. Or what is this? Like I mirrored this. Okay, let's just so this line and this line collinear. Now we need to get this line and this line. Can I also do... No, that was with a point. What? Should I just not use mirroring? It doesn't seem to work very reliably to me. Mirroring within a sketch isn't good practice. Okay. Okay. Then we will actually just try to learn the constraint feature here. Wait, it doesn't even know the dimensions, right? So we'll just give this 30. And then I can probably put this point on this. And this point also on this. No, I can't. Okay. Why is this fixed in place here? I need to learn. Now it's blue again. Move it here. Ah, okay. So if I remove this and then do smart dimension of this. Like this. No. Or do I have to accept it? No. Okay, so basically do not use mirror. Why is this black then? Existing relations, horizontal, vertical. Yeah, this is the Maker edition. FX, okay. So let's try again. This. Mark dimension to be imported into the drawing. No. Doesn't work. It takes over the value, but it apparently doesn't take it over. It probably takes the fixed value here. This and this should be collinear. Yes. And this, and this, and this. Symmetric. Still blue. Fuck. Uh-huh. So this and this equal. Fully defined. Okay. Exit sketch. Okay, so this here, fully defined, yes. Okay. I appreciate all the help, guys. Like, if I do something terribly wrong, shout at me. That's the only way you learn something. Underdefined. Yes. So, how do I center this in between these two lines? Is this the center? What is it trying to grab there? It does not have a center line on this, apparently. Distance. Diameter. Yes. No, this is the maker version. It's like 38 euros per year. And you can use it to create non-commercial stuff. I would draw a vertical center line that is tied to the midpoint of the top edge and the center point of the hole. Vertical. So, like... Is this the center point now? I need to learn what these... I guess so. Like this. Fully defined. Cool. And now I could probably remove this distance. Add the distance here. And then do this and this. Coincident. Existing relations. Okay, that's what I thought I could do. We'll just leave it like that. Because I clicked. Oh, okay. Okay. Wait, did it say fully defined? Fully defined. I should maybe move stuff around. Maybe here? That's probably usefuler. And actually, let's add the chat so you can also see it. No. Okay, fully defined. Yay. Okay. See, this is something I never paid attention to. Fully defined. Exit sketch. Okay, the threads shouldn't have any impact on the chamfer. Can we do it now? Yes! I still don't know why, but I guess the lesson for me is always pay attention to fully defined sketches. Like whenever I designed a part in the past, all I did was like add tons of dimensions till everything makes sense. Because I didn't know that you can use constraints. I guess that's what happens if you just hop into it without having any idea what you're doing. Minimum dimensions with constraints. Okay. Cool. How would I export this as a step file to get a quote? Export as? OneDrive, DIY, FFB, Joystick, step. export. Okay, before I leak something here, let's quickly go here. Get a quick quote. DIY. What do you guys think? How much will this part be to manufacture? Let's take some bets. $50, $40, $80. We'll do it 60, 61 aluminum. 33. Let's go. What do you have? $53. And we need 2 of them, so 46. What is surface roughness? Wait, does this now have the... I'm not sure if JLC gets confused by this. Let's actually quickly see if I remove all the threads. Yes. Yes to all. Quickly export this. No threads. The chamfers are very satisfying, right? Oh, guitars. Now it's more expensive. Interesting logic. Machining $40. 35. Eh? Sometimes it just doesn't make sense. What do I have here? This is my Les Paul that I haven't played in forever. I built, this was one of the first guitars that I built myself. You can see, like, I got impatient with the finish at the back, because who looks at the back? Holy shit, I need to clean these a little bit. Haven't played in forever. Then what else do we have? My 2 Strats. Number 1 in blue. Like, if you are not into music, like, guitar players are very weird. Like, if you build a guitar and then you intentionally break the finish, it will sound better and you will play better. That is guitar player logic. Yeah, this is one. This is probably the guitar that I play the most. Played to the most. Then we have another one in orange. I like Strats. Also sounds better because of the broken finish. Like this here's interesting. Do you know how you get this? It's like a nitro lacquer. You don't want to know how I did this. You put it in the oven, 60 degrees, and then you use ice spray to get these cracks. Because with the cracks, it sounds even better than just with the chips in the paint. What else? This is a project that I need to finish at some point. Just a black Telecaster. Swamp Ash body. Then for the heavier stuff, I have an Ibanez. What was it called? I don't even know. Ibanez something. Ibanez. And an Ibanez Strat. It doesn't sound very good because like the finish is still too shiny. No, actually, it's a really, really good guitar. And this is like baked maple. You really, it's baked to get the moisture out of the wood. But yeah, that's it. Need to play more again. So, if I want to add those bearings now, I would create... I'll do that in the assembly then, right? So we would go save, then we would go make assembly from part. Gimbal arm. Gimbal arm? Gimbal arm. Then... assembly. Insert component. No, I want this here. And what's the part number? Let's actually just quickly download this here. Dude, are they $32? You can probably get like 10 of them for $3 on AliExpress. AliExpress? Wait, we need to be careful with AliExpress. They like to show very, very weird stuff on their front page. Yep, 6 at 8 bearing. 10 pieces for €3, yes. Like, I really don't search for strange stuff on AliExpress. But... ...3D SOLIDWORKS download. DIY. Common parts. Paste. 308 bearing. Can I just... Will this work? Oh my god, that actually works. Okay. So, how does this work? Mate. Where's mate? Mate, here. Mate, this to this. I do one mate per session, right? I go yes, and then I'll go mate again. This with this. Lock rotation, okay. Lock rotation. Cool. Okay, was that correct? Why does it look so ugly? Okay. Can I actually... No. No! Why does the redo... Okay. This... No! Delete. Here. What the fuck are you doing here? Mate. Yes. And this face, align it with this one. Yes. Then this is not the lock that you wanted me to use. I see. Okay, mate. This to this. Yes. Doesn't work. Cool. This here. And this here. Hey Ryan. Yes, I bought the license, but this is the non-commercial license for DIY projects. Lock rotation. Can I now turn it or what? Lock rotation.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, new beginnings on the cusp. Not too old
There we
to
go.
adjust. Old dog, new tricks. Remember, I was just a pup. Something dirty in my cup. Clean soul, good karma is a must. Still my shooter in the cut. I was stuck inside
Mate.
a rut. Played the game, made bank, moved
Here and
G.
here.
Get a buck, you won't find me in the club.
Lock
I'm in the lab
rotation.
trying to sharpen up the sword, swinging blades at these scrubs.
And
Bitches fly like
then
bugs to the light, getting right. Treat my hoes like these rats. I don't really got a type.
oh, we
Off
probably
top,
would
bullshit,
want
and all I
this
needed
to
was
this.
a mic. Hey, pass the rock, it's all butter. Pack your bags and take flight. Don't worry, it's all covered. Hey, live your life
Mate
while
on
you
one
can.
side and then
Days
mirror
are
it.
all numbered. Rain could cause thunder, but the sun
Ah,
comes
okay.
after
Mirror
the disaster.
the part. Oh. I have really bad experience with mirroring. Let's try it on the other side. So what you are saying is made one side, lock rotation. I don't know yet. Press fitting is probably the easiest, but I need to see if it's even like possible with the tolerances and everything. Dude, like joints in Fusion is like completely confusing to me. Camera dash. But why? We all been victims of trauma we ain't agreed to, but the sun comes after starting up a new chapter. No battery power remains. Interesting. I know that God got me, so I'm in good company. Isn't it lovely? So even though it was connected to the high power USB on my PC, it didn't charge. Okay, so you say I should mirror this. So how do you do that? Wait, then we can quickly delete this one. Yes. Mirror, 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 mirror. Is there like a mirror? Mirror. Copy with mates. Cool. Linear component. Oh, mirror component. Mirror plane. Mirror plane then would be this here, I guess, huh? It would like... Would it? Interesting. Thanks. Now I could insert component. Poly. This one. Mate. Face. No, not face. This. Onto this. If I mate edges, then it's fully mated. Yes. And would I do lock two components together here? I mean, if I use screws to X is 111 millimeters. And Y is 63.7. What just happened here? Cool. How do I hide these things here? Must be something here, right? Okay. Yeah. Like, yes, internal. Now we need a screw. What screw do I need? How do I measure in the assembly? Dude, how do I hide this? It's kind of annoying me. I want to see this sketch. Can I like hide a sketch or something? Why is it? It's not showing all the other sketches. Oh, whatever. Press the I. Oh, this I. I guess it will be one of... Thanks. Measure. Evaluate? No. This is where Fusion is a bit more intuitive. Evaluate. Oh. I didn't say anything. 26. So I need an M8 screw, M8 25. Let's just grab this from this here. No, we don't need an M8 screw here. We actually have to add the geometry of the holes I added here to the thing. This is the assembly. Measure from here to here. It's 18. $18. 11.14? Okay, I guess. Dude, no, I cannot do like 11.14. Just knowing that will, like, no. No. Is it weird that this triggers me? Save. Rebuild. Yeah, okay. Cool. And now if I want to update it in the assembly, how would that work? Or does that models contain have changed? Oh, yes. Cool. Can't you have tabs within SolidWorks? Like this here? We'll actually do the holes on a separate sketch. We'll just sketch on top of this. What was it? 18, right? 18. And we make this a construction line, vertical. Can I make a line? Oh, I can make the midpoint line. I put it to 10. Construction line. For M6, I just do a 6mm hole. Forgive my stupid questions, but cut through all. Yes. And now I want to add countersunk stuff. Hole wizard. This. Or this and this. Okay. Existing. Ah, this is okay. So we'll do close. But how do I select that it should do the holes here? Can I select the sketch and then use the hole wizard? No. Can I do this sketch? Okay. Here. This is why I want you to make the hole. Why are you not working? Select the face for the hole. Aha. No. Junge. This whole wizard is not very wizardy. On this face. Oh. As always, a layer 8 problem. Cool. could make this a smiley. Save. How do I switch? Oh. Oh no. Okay, we need to edit this feature. Delete, delete. It's probably easier to delete the mate. And assembly mate. This to this. Flip. Yep. Yep. Shit, but how do I now select this? It cannot be like this here. It's very satisfying, to be honest. You can edit the part in the assembly and then make the changes. Okay. And thanks. Now we need the screws. M6, what is that? Countersunk? 7991, or is that the little Linsenkopf? I don't know the English word. Alter. M6. M6. Junge. M6. Flat. Elevator bolts. Torques. We want torques. It's probably unnecessarily expensive. How do I uncheck it? We don't. Clear filter. Anyways, what did I say? 25mm. And that is an 14 flathead screw. Flathead screw. That name makes more sense than Senkkopfschraube. Freaking German. Screws. Okay, that is an M6 25 flathead. What? ISO 14581. What? Dude, like my brain. Dude! 8 what? Maybe I should just like go to bed and sleep. Can I now mate this to this? Why is it not screwing itself out? Not all. Immersion ruined. What? No. Why did I make it blue? No! Junge. This is SOLIDWORKS. Ah, because I was... It would be nice if the screw would... yeah. Yay! Okay. SOLIDWORKS, yes.
It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you, and now I'm good. Wake up and I do my part. Wake up and I do my job just how I should. It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. Misunderstood. Get up, had to beat those odds. Got up and I beat those odds. Understood. It was always me.
What do we do next? This part here, I think. Oh no, the T. We'll do the T next. That goes inside of here. When I want to do a new part, could I also do it inside this and still have a new part, or would I create a new part and then put it in the assembly? New part. Is this the new part? But then this part sits... Is this... No. No. Stop. I don't know how. New part. Where would that save? Would it save within the assembly? I don't want that. Let's just create a new part. We're gonna quickly get the 40. I chose my path, no choosing sides. I'll tell you what comes. Okay. No more time for the bad guy. Never going back to the so ideally I want my part, it's sitting like inside here. I want my part to have the diameter of this maximum here, or if it touches the bearing, then I probably don't want... Like this sits lower, right? So basically it should be smaller than this dimension. Is that correct? What is this here? Revolve? No, I want to measure it. 10. And this? 14. And do 12 or so. How would I best go on with that? It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. Misunderstood. Get up, had to beat those eyes. Got up and I beat those eyes. Misunderstood. It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. And now I'm good. Wake up and I do my part. Wake up and I do my job just how I should. It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. Misunderstood. Get up, had to beat those eyes. Got up and I beat those eyes. Understood. It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. And now I'm good.
I do my part. Wake up and I do my job. That's how I should.
New sketch on top of this. Center rectangle, 12 by 12. Fully defined. We can probably go with something. 20. And then I want to round it all up. Will the direction matter? Fillets. This, we want a 6mm fillet. This, 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 and this. Three here. One millimeter here. 12. Then we have 10. Yeah, should be fine. And then we are gonna do M6. So we'll need another sketch on this. Six millimeter, and then I want this and this. Wait, this should be in the middle. How do I... Can I... Co-radial? No. I don't know what co-radial is. Concentric? Concentric. Fully defined. Can I... Oh yeah, I have an AC running here. I think the shoulder bolt is 11 point something millimeter. Would I just... A 40 millimeter hole for a CNC probably sucks, right? Yeah, this is one of the LG TVs. Okay. Okay, we'll do an extruded cut here, 12 millimeters. Can I copy this feature onto here and here somehow? Mirror. Mirror. Wow. I don't really have like a mirror plane. A new plane. Like an offset plane, right? How do I create a new plane?
Rocket in my pocket, please don't make me pop it. All these boys just wanna copy the style. Tell them stop it, whoa, whoa. This my destiny, feel like Latoya, like it found me my Beyonce, and she shotgun in the cockpit. Grinding with the
could
team,
use.
in my pocket still.
I mean, I could wait. It actually should work. We have this plane. Mirror face plane. Can I display the front plane? Secondary mirror face? Nice. I'm such a pro. Thread. Here. M6. What is the standard? M6 by 1? Yeah. 12. I'm just making a joystick. And now we can again mirror on the front plane the feature thread. I cannot. Can I rebuild errors? Because it's a thread. I can. Okay. Oh, but the. I'll just add the thread here. No, I'll make this from CNC aluminum. Is there a way to get this thing on top here? It's probably easier to just create a new sketch here, huh? 6mm. Done. Fully defined. Exit. Feature. Extruded cut. 12. Yes. All wizard thread. Here. Shit still. Yeah. No, I don't have one. I'll get this done at JLC. Good. Save. This will be the gimbal core. How do I close this? Here? Cool. Assembly, insert component. Close. In the core. Mate. This. Just on top of this. Wishful thoughts when you ignore the signs. You authentic with your circle, but a fraud in mine. You know you crossed the line, your notoriety was never notarized. But so it goes, I'll find another side. The revolution won't be publicized. There's a war outside, but it's internalized. Different struggles in these troubled times. And like a year, I feel I double mine. You know I'm sorry, should've done you right. But I've been caught up with this double life. I'm done faking it, we're sleepwalking through these bad nights to get away from it. So I guess it makes sense, I gotta pay for it. This game rough, try to deflate like a patriot, but never do I fade a bit. Give me your worst, I'll show I'm made for it. Did I just delete the mate? I think I did.
Is there gold at the end of the
Okay, this on this face. And
we still on this yellow tape, bro.
this on this.
Is there gold at the end of the rainbow?
Okay. Cool. Can I like when I want to, if I want to put this like facing upwards again, how do I do that? Is there like a not important. Okay, then we need the shoulder screws. Uh, 8mm. Oh, no, this is the length. 10mm length. 8 diameter. 6 thread size.
Play the game, made bank, move G, anything to get a buck. You won't find me in the club. I'm in the lab trying to sharpen up the sword, swinging blades at these scrubs. Flock like bugs to the light.
You can mate the plane for the gimbal with the plane. I wanna like give it a maximum. No. If I, for example, want to say that this can only rotate 20 degrees.
Everybody dates a number, but I'm still here luckily. I know that God got me, so I'm in good company. So take it from me, I got some places I should take you to see. You know it's easy when you ride with a G. Light speed, moving fast through the city, trying to find me some peace. I finally lived to be the guy that I was dying to be. Still I got some trust issues, people lie through their teeth. The more I grew, the more they hide in the crease. Squad building, weak members get released. If we trying to compete, starting pitchers need relief. Bro, we building a team, everybody got a niche. I've been known to play mine to a T, but it's time for me to lead, picking dirt right out the cleats. Steep path, roadblocks in the streets, trying to knock me off my feet, cause the devil never sleeps. So I don't sleep too, and trying to breach safes that I didn't have the keys to. We all been victims of trauma we ain't agreed to, but the sun comes after, starting up a new chapter.
You can just lock it completely.
I ain't looking back and focus on what's in front of me. Everybody dates a number, but I'm still here luckily. I know that God.
Oh well, it's not super important right now. Let's grab the screws here.
Isn't it lovely?
M6. How would I call this? It's not really 10mm. It's not an M6 times 10 screw. That is 10mm? That's kind of cool. Okay, and now we need... No, not this face. This face. On this face. Yep. Yep. That's not how it works, though. I need to... Holy shit, like, isn't it like super Strange to then have 2000 mates in here. I should probably... Can I hide the gimbal arm? Gimbal arm, gimbal arm, gimbal arm, gimbal arm. Hide component, yes. Should probably do this. Advanced mates, limit angle. Okay. So... yeah, good. Now I need to see which of the frickin'... Can I rename these? Oh yeah. Is this not the right one? Okay, basically I don't mate the screw to the bearing. I mate the screw to this part here, right? That would be the correct way. Like mate this face on this face. Yes. And then, I don't know, like this on this. And then lock rotation or lock two components together. That's, I think, what I want. Fuck. Maybe he doesn't like this. Maybe I need to select. No, not this. Where is it? Where did the screw go? There it is. Let's delete this here again. How do I put this in here? Mate. I typically use the global direct line thing. This. Super cheap, super slow. To this. Lock two components together.
I rise and I wake and I gotta go get it. I'm making my bed and it's straight to the digits. No cup of jokers, the shit is acidic. So I take a shot with the lemon and ginger. Look in the mirror like, yeah, I'm the nigga. Look in the mirror like, damn it, I'm fitted. Looking outside like the world is all mine. Look in the mirror like, nigga, go get it. I gotta get to the scene, oh. I gotta get to the bag now. I can be
this and this. Maybe I just have to do this and this. And then lock. Looks good out. Can I hide from here? I can. Is there a show all or something? Noise. It's kind of satisfying. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so this. Hide. This and this. Hide. Mate. This. That. Flip. Yep. This mating is at the same time more confusing and better than what Fusion is doing. The joint in Fusion, I just don't understand it. And then these two lock together. Good. Done. Show all. Made mechanical, there's screw made. Oh. Let's try that then. This and this. Hide. This. Hide. Mate. Mechanical screw. Screw in. Oh my god, how do I do that then? Okay. How do I... Mate. Mechanical screw. Revolutions. SOLIDWORKS screw mate. Okay, screw mate constraint two to be concentric and also adds a pitch relationship between the rotation of one component and the translation of the other component. Oh, do I really need that?
Hello.
Hello.
In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to apply the screw bait to the thread for this bolt and the nut. And the first thing you need to do is make this nut and this bolt concentric to each other. In this case, there isn't any circular part that I can click to make it concentric. So what I'll do is click on View, Show Height, Temporary Axis to turn on the center axis for both parts. And this is an assembly file, by the way. And this is just regular parts that I downloaded from Massacre. So I have my temporary axis visible. The next thing I'm going to do is Mate. And I'm going to select this center axis for the nut and also select the same thing for the bolt and click OK. So now these two parts are concentric, so I can move it, drag it back and forth. So that's what we want. So now
What was that?
on View, Show Height, Temporary.
This here. Oh.
Now how could that be? Talking
This
about who
and
can be
this.
talking about me? Feeling like stretch where I got all this reach. Feeling too blessed when I step on
Okay.
these beats.
Temporary axis to turn like this center axis are concentric, so I can move it, drag it back and forth. Next thing I'm going to do now is add the screw mate to both parts. So what I like to do before I add the screw mate is by the right plane, by whatever plane this is, I'm going to section it. And once you have it sectioned, I'll just go normal 2, so everything is normal 2. So what I'll do is drag this over here, and I'll rebuild just to make sure I see what I'm doing. So the reason why I always do it this way is because sometimes when you add the screw mate, even though it is screwing, you will get an interference like this, and you don't want that.
We're not gonna do that here now. We're just gonna lock them together.
swinging for the fences, I might leave it in the sun. Every pitch a home run. Stack a couple tickets just to leave it to my son. Take it back while I be gone. Small city kid couldn't dream a bigger one. A marathon, never run. Check the scoreboard, how I'm feeling like I won. I know I've been quiet for a minute. I've been grinding, still in it. I've been counting these digits. Excuse me. I know I've been quiet for a minute, but I'm back on my business. If you see me, don't trip, just excuse me. Wrong if I do, wrong if I don't. That's why I do me no matter what, so excuse me. Lie if I do, lie if I don't.
Axis? No, not axis.
Excuse me.
This face. Dude. Slide these again. Onto this face. Yes. And this. Lock. Okay. Cool. Save. Good idea. I haven't saved that at all. Joystick assembly. Okay, now we need to create this part in the middle here. This will be the most strange one looking. Can you set up autosave in this? And these screws are gigantic. Add the second of these here. This onto this. What? Edge? No. This on this. Yes. Eh? Oh, I was still in that. Why can I not? There we go. What the fuck is that made? this, and this. Yes. Lock rotation. And then this, this, yes. Mirror, plane, here, component, this, done. Oh, this is actually convenient. Okay. What did I do here? 28 by 28. I heard of it, I've never tried it out. Okay, save. New part. Okay, how do we start this one? Sketch. No. Sketch. Top plane. Oh, it's Spa 24 this weekend. Yeah. What I like about SolidWorks is like it's affordable for non-commercial use. No, just put in like case or rotating shaft or whatever. It's just for customs. How do I measure the distance from here to the middle of that thing? I guess I could just do this. 30. Oh, 32, and then this is 12. So it's 26. 26 to the top. 26. How much is SolidWorks? It's 38 euros per year for non-commercial use. No. Yeah, it's really affordable. Need to see if it will work like this, but it's probably a little bit not so elegant design. Here I did go roughly 40-ish.
On the cusp, not too old to adjust. Old dog, new tricks. Remember, I was just a pup. Something dirty in my cup. Clean soul, good karma is a must. Still my shooter in the cut. I was stuck inside a rut. Played the game, made bank, move G. Anything to get a buck.
No,
You
not
won't find
edit
me in the
sketch.
club. I'm in the lab trying
Create
to
a new sketch. TV will be turned off. No, please not.
Treat my hoes like these raps. I don't really got it tight. Off top bullshitting. All I needed was a mic. Hey, pass the rock, it's all butter. Pack your bags.
Actually, I think we will do 38 here.
You can. Our days are all numbered. Rain could cause thunder, but the sun comes after, clearing up the disaster. Isn't it lovely? I ain't looking back and focus on what's in front of me. Everybody days a number, but I'm still here luckily. I know the guy got me, so I'm in good company.
12 and 20. Trim this. What?
So take it from me, I got some places I should take you to see. You know it's easy when you ride with a G. Light speed, moving fast through the city, trying to find me some peace. I finally lived to be the guy that I was dying to be. Still I got some trust issues, people lie through their teeth. The more I grew, the more they hide in the crease. Squad building, weak members get released. If we trying to compete, starting pitchers need relief. Bro, we building a team, everybody got a niche. I've been known to play mine to a T, but it's
Can I remove these two lines here somehow? Probably not, because this is a rectangle, right? That will not work as I intended.
We all been victims of trauma we ain't agreed to, but the sun comes after, starting up a new chapter. Isn't it lovely? I ain't looking back and focus on what's in front of me. Everybody days a number, but I'm still here luckily. I know the guy got me, so I'm in good company.
Holy shit, that's... Yeah.
Isn't it lovely?
40. 25. Yeah, I do think it feels a little bit dated in terms of UI and stuff. But it actually does work well. Did the music just die? Yeah. This I made 30. Oh, I didn't. 38. And now we will Sketch here. And then make this and this eccentric. Feature extrude 1 millimeter. Yep. Mirror. This. Yep. Good. Chamfer. 1 millimeter. Yeah. Also, on shape is not too bad, to be honest. Okay, one line on here, one on here. Oh no. Exit sketch on this here.
Bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Todas esas putas saben who I am, so she wanna check this beat on cam like.
We can do this 30. Here we need like. What did I have here? Can be a bit less than this. 20. Okay, let's actually go with 20 then. And now underdefined, yes, I know. EBK if you all in the way, you in the field with a vet. Bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Todas esas putas saben who I am, so she wanna check this beat on cam like. Hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Full lines are better, I pull up. I see. So I want this and this. No, this and this. Linear.
In the backseat, I'm with your bitch. Si me encanta ese topic. Windows black, that's a fact. She don't even mind getting sloppy. Shooter outside holding the mat. Si le digo dispara y like copy. Abre abrir la ventana para ventilar este humo. Fuck you, Mr. Officer.
Do a center line here.
Bebo, vendo, ¿qué le digo? Pa'l carajo ese celdo.
Construction.
She wanna flip for the gram.
And then this.
She wanna check this beat on cam like. Hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Full lines are better, I pull up. Dame la plata, plata. Cash, cash, cash. Get money, get money. Spam, bam, bam, spam, bam. She wanna flick for the gram.
Already find success. And now we can probably extrude cut. Whoa. Okay. Done. Now let's see if we can fillet this thing.
Hold up, she wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Four lines of better, I pull up. Hey, bam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram.
First we'll
who I am, so she wanna take this beach on cam. Like, hold up,
here
she wanna swallow this pull up.
and here.
Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Four lines of better, I pull up. Dame la plata, plata. Cash, cash, cash.
Syrup TV, thank you so much for 9 months. Appreciate it.
9 months, happy damn baby.
Thank you so much. Yeah, I need to figure out how to make this not look ugly. No. Let's give this a 2mm. The inside as well. I don't know if I can do 2mm here. I think I need to do 1.5 for the profile.
She wanna swallow this pull up. Soon as I bust, I'ma roll up. Four lines of better, I pull up.
Yeah, there's. This will probably be like okay-ish for now. $6mm extruded cut for 12. Yeah, 12. We'll just do through all. Whole wizard thread. Nice. Are you going somewhere? Is this M6? Yeah. This looks like kinda too big. From here to here is what, 10. Then we actually do this feature 35. Ah, nice. Nice, nice. Can I put, what did I just do? Fuck. How do I get this back? No! Help! What did I do? Go back in the bar? Oh, there we go. What do you do here? Ooh. Ooh. We'll leave it for now. I'll need to redesign this part. It's not a good design. But this will be gimbal arm. Joystick arm. Gimbal joystick arm. There we go. Okay, close. Okay, then we can add it in the assembly. Component, browse, gimbal joystick arm. Yes. Okie dokie, and this will mate. This mates onto this. Yep. And this. And this. Good. Done. I might never come down cause the coast racking up the flame miles. So high, I might never come down. So what? This is my lifestyle. Why is it not movable? In the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Simcoe's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. Way up, I might never come down cause the coast racking up the flame miles. So high, I might never come down. So what? This is my lifestyle. I'll figure this out. Sorry, what was the question? Rotation. Wait, YouTube chat. Maybe I missed it. My budget. I don't really have a budget. I just want to have something that works nice. Oh. Where's the bearing? Where did it go? Ach, yeah. Mate. This or this. Here we go. Why is it freaking out and doing this? Anyone knows? What happened there? Yeah, just for fun. There's nothing like that. Nice force feedback joystick. Moza has one, but yeah. Okay, now the interesting part starts. How do I actually Let's see if it's possible once I made these. This. With this. Yes. And also this. With this. Yep. That did not work. Okay, I will try. What is going on here with the software? Okay, now in theory... Here we go. Dude, why is it like this? Let's save. And quickly restart SolidWorks here. Hey, nice. I have some here as well. No, you cannot like compete with China. Especially if you make one. Oh my god. Let's actually add another one of these. How late is it? I have a little bit of time left. So, mate. This. Wait, first we'll do this face to this face. Oh, mate. That's Epidemic Sound. The hip-hop playlist. Okay, next mate. This. To this. Yes. And the last one. Oops, no, not. Last one. This. That will be interesting now. To this. Boom. Why can I not rotate this one? Can only rotate it with this, yeah? That's fine. But yeah, that's pretty much the idea. I need to rework this part here though. And then let's quickly grab a Mac Dingsbums 2020 profile. Color black. The music is insanely quiet on my ears. Maybe it's louder on YouTube. Length, yeah, whatever. Download. Copy. Common parts. And then made this here. Yup. And this here. lock rotation. Yeah, I mean, the problem is this is not fixed in place here. This needs to be mounted to the housing. And then we should be able to move it on top here, actually. Whew. Okay, looks a bit funny. I'm a bit worried about the clearance of the screws, to be honest with you. Oh, we also need to add these there as well. So this... No. Sometimes I have random faces selected. Ah no, we'll not add the screws. Just like there needs to be screws. I don't have the time now. But yeah, this is now a SolidWorks version of this one here. Huh? I've done this one in Fusion. I'm gonna 3D print it, and then we'll see if it makes any sense at all. But you can see this part here needs to be a bit, yeah, fancier. I need to design that a bit nicer. But before we end the stream, I actually want to get some quotes for this. I think there should be more than enough clearance on this though. Like, looks bigger than here, even though the whole design is smaller. If somebody cares about the music, it's... Where is it? Here, the hip-hop genre from Epidemic Sound, copyright-free music. Okay, close this. Then we are gonna open this. This will probably be expensive to manufacture. Export as. Let's put it in downloads. Gimbal arm. Core. Export. Export. Thank you. Yeah, it's like learning, and this one is missing, right? Learning and chilling. Alright, delete, yes, delete, yes. There's some optimization we could do. No, I'm gonna use gears. I want to have like 30-35 Newton meter at the gimbal. And I mean, the design is heavily based on the FFBeast. Okay, 31 for this little T piece. 53 for the... Oh, actually cheaper. No, I'm not a mechanical engineer. I'm an electrical engineer. I just want to learn this. And I always felt like doing it on stream helps. Because there's always somebody that knows how to do things. And that's easier than just if you're sitting there alone. Simulate the load, not with the home version of SolidWorks. In the professional one, which is like 8,000 euros or so, there's the simulation plugin, but not here. Doop doop. So for two of those, 60-61, we're at 170 euros. We probably will not need 70-75. Yeah, no, honestly, like, I have no idea of this stuff. So every help is appreciated. It's always good to learn it properly. And I mean, this looks nice. Looks nice. Can we actually render the assembly out? How is this? Wait. The rendering tool thing called? It's called Visualize. Is it starting now? No, it's starting. A virtual design review, yeah. with somebody that has absolutely no idea what he's doing. 35 Newton meter gives you about 10 kilograms at an appropriate stick extension length. So open from this PC. Joystick assembly. If we want to add... What finish? I mean, this is the only part that will be visible on the outside. Could do this like, I don't know, anodized and black. What's the price difference? $1 for anodizing. $2. And this maybe just like, probably doesn't matter. I could do like bead blasting. 120. Bead blasting, 120. Why SolidWorks over Fusion? Price, features. Every time I use Fusion, I wanna destroy things. I just don't find it very intuitive to use. Okay, 172 for the finish. That's not bad. Let's say we wanted to build 10 of them. When we would have 10 of these, 20 of these, 10 of these. $135 per part, per thing. I need to read up on tolerances, like my... yeah. Tightest tolerance 2768 medium, that means. Yeah, I probably have to get like a quote for that. What? Or does that update here? No. That would be for this here, where the press fit is happening. Is it worth it to do press fit? I could just do like 2 little screws to hold them in place. I need to think about it. I will 3D print this stuff. And I will actually post some pictures on the Discord, I guess. Cheaper than I thought. Oh, we can also save some money if we don't need it urgently. $12. But like, this is in general, this is so fast. Yeah. Oh god. I'm too stupid to use the mouse. Why is this so small? Configuration? View? Whatever. Metal, aluminum, blue? Plastic. Low gloss. What? No. Say we 3D print this. Metal. Gold. Yeah, we'll manufacture it from gold. I think that would be cool. Can I change the color? I mean, come on, that cannot be only blue. Cloud. Oh my god. Okay. Sandblast. I'm just trying out all the different finishes here. I don't think so. This has so much connection. I mean, I'll try. I can also like get these, but I'll just try. Probieren geht über Studieren. Render. Is it rendering? I guess so. Yeah, I mean, it will be belt driven. This part, and then there's a 20T part for the motor. Goes on here, and then yeah. I think the Moza one also is belt driven. Yes. Yeah, I have the small gears here, the 20T. Since there are people that have a clue, do I need the guide rails, or how is this called? For both pulleys? Like, I don't see how this will slip off this one if it has the rails on the small one. Would you put them on both? I mean, this one has it. I'm trying to avoid having to drill holes. I'm lazy, so I'll try the 3D printed ones. I can print one and then have another one glued on top. Our render is done. Okay. Okay. For rendering, Fusion actually is nice, I think. But yeah, I think that's it for today. I need to figure out like a better design for this thing in the middle here. But I'm pretty happy with how far we came today in like, what? How long was this? 3.5 hours or so. Nearly 4 hours. And then here comes a mount for Thrustmaster sticks or something. 3 to 1. This is a 60T and the motor has a 20T. Are you good on the spacing in the mechanic? In the mechanic. Not sure what you mean with the mechanic. Like the 3D printed one is not that great with play, but I use screws into the bearings. I didn't know that you don't use screws into bearings. Like my dad is a mechanical engineer, and I showed him this, and he was like, "Did you use screws into the bearings, son? Please." But yeah, this should not have any play in theory. With the shoulder bolts into the bearings press fitted into the frame. I need to figure out tolerances, and I think I need to enforce this part here. This is probably the weakest part here, and it's unnecessarily weak. I can have this go there. I just need to figure out how to do that. But yeah, we might actually do more of these streams in the future. It's chill. Something to learn. Yeah. But now it's time for barbecue. I'm hungry. So this component here right now is fixed in place because something has to, and I don't have a housing, so. But this here moves like this. Ignore the play of the thing because no. I need to fix these in place. Interchangeable? Probably not. Press fit? You don't get these out, right? Maybe I'll do it with the screws for the first prototype or so. Similar to I showed it earlier. What Conspit did on their pedals. Here, just like this. Just maybe use 1 or 2 screws to hold the bearing in position so it doesn't slip out. There shouldn't be any forces in this direction on the joystick as well, so this should work fine. If I would do that, what would I do for the bearing hole? Like 20.20, like no, what is this? 16 millimeter is the bearing, so I would do like what? 16.1, 16.05? I don't know. Save. Close. Close. Loctite. Yeah, true. Yeah, I need to like see which tool I could use to create that. Okay. But yeah, I think that's it for today. Could you actually use this as gears? Next week we most likely will build the first version of this, but actually just the FFBeast, the laser cut version. Yeah, okay. But I think that's it for today then. Let me know if you want to see more streams like this. I enjoy it, it's chill. And yeah, have a nice weekend everyone. flanged bearings. That's not a bad idea. Huh? I had that in one of my other designs. Anyways, have a nice weekend, everyone. I don't have a... Wait, super professional. Stream is ending. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, here and here. Isn't that like the most professional stream ending you have ever seen? Guys, take care. Have a nice weekend. Thanks for watching. Bye.